Pinakabagong food park sa May Kawayan, napakaraming pwedeng pagpilian na pagkain. Alam nyo na to, tara. Yung mga kanusan nyo bang nalaman ko, kami napadpadid sa Saluisoy Chapel, May Kawayan, Bulacan para mag-food trip sa kanilang bazaar na inorganize ng Soroptimis International of May Kawayan Gems. Ano-ano nga ba ang makikita nyo dito? Marami ditong foods katulad ng Jicasay Corner na may chicken pops with rice at fruit soda with nata, cheesy mais na 16 ounce, lasagna ng Baby Z Silog, Spanish latte and biscoff latte ng Kapep Kalye, sweet corner na may leche flan, musubi antico na may musubi bowl, special siomai na chicken, pork and crab, pork and shrimp and cheese, dynamite and pork, J4 cravings sa may baked mac, nomi nomi na may caramel biscoff wrap, Anlis Palamig Corner. Pwede din magkape sa What If Coffee sa kanilang iced Spanish latte and iced mocha, Chef Maling's creamy avocado con yelo, assorted street food and halo-halo special na may corn dog. Pwede ka din kumain sa Frankie's lechon pastil na may lechon horner with rice and sauce, lechon sisig with rice, chicken pastil at may coke float. Pwede ka maghalo-halo sa Overload Halo-Halo, tofu squares ng LA's Tofu Squares and nasi goreng rice meals, Jason Sisig Shawarma na may shawarma with java rice and free cheese at may pita jumbo din. Kanto Skin na may chicken skin, ED Cafe na may beef nachos and sparkling soda green apple, Chi rice toppings, clubhouse and kani salad, natikman namin yung kanilang kani salad, Talis Coco Latte, Talis Meals na may half roasted chicken, tikman rin namin itong biryani beef, Twins Deli Cafe na may thick Milo overload, Peace Tea and more tea with their red velvet milk tea, Sidewalk na may beef salpicao and chow mein na bestseller, Roll and Grill by Nitrolicious Grilled Enoki Rolls, Nitrolicious fresh strawberries with melted Cadbury Choco Berries, Dante's Kitchen Thailand Mango Sticky Rice, Bite Me na may Dubai Chewy Cookie, Squeezy na may pineapple juice, Original Chorizo de Cebu na may inihaw na chorizo and fresh chorizo, Dragon's Bite na may Choco Xiaolong Bao and Ube Cheese Long Bao, Kiko Tea na may nacho sinabag, milk tea and fruit tea, Blight Street Food sa may kwek-kwek, Penoy Fishball at marami pang iba, Everyday Waffles, and Pure Foods Tender Juicy Hotdog. At bukod sa pagkain, meron din apparel, ukay-ukay, accessories at iba't iba pang gamit dito. Katulad ng Regal Apparel, Azitrend sa kanilang bracelets, string charm and leather keychain, A&M, Daily Thrift, Chich Piercing Arts and Crafts, Bella Apparel, Job Fine Thrifts, meron ding Reglecy Apparel and Gems. O diba, hindi ka talaga mauubusan na pagpipilian na pagkain at masya-shopping dito. Kaya perfect tambayan with family, barkada, or date night habang nag-iikot sa bazaar vibes at sumusuporta sa local negosyo. O ano pa hinintay nyo? Tara na dito sa Saluisoy Bazaar. Let's go!